Election Commission is currently giving out the latest information of Phase 2. Let's take a listen in.
Our very special thanks to Chief Electoral Officer Bihar, all the district election officers, all the district police officers and their entire teams who have made these elections peaceful and successful. Our thanks goes to all the electoral machinery in the field up to the BLO level and the poll volunteers who have assisted the commission in conducting the election. So the responsibility of conducting election was a difficult and demanding one, but however the officials have carried out this task with courage and conviction. I also thank the media, both print and electronic media, for their support in reinforcing the democratic values. I am extremely confident that the voters' confidence, courage and enthusiasm that was on display in the first two phases will be matched or rather exceeded in the last phase of election due on November 7th, 2020. This year, Election Commission of India is organizing an international virtual election visitor program for Bihar election from November 5th to 7th November 2020. This 3 days event is being organized under the aegis of the India AWEB Center and International Cooperation Division of the Election Commission of India. In this electors visitor program, we have invited participants from 43 countries and 3 international bodies who will also participate in this event. In the 3 days event on 5th and 6th, we would be briefing them about the elections of India, and on 7th, we would be showing the live streaming of the elections in Bihar to the entire global community. So India has always been a very proactive member of the international platforms and has been advocating sharing of resources and best practices in the interest and cause of democracy. So this is one more step in this direction. The Commission is very enthused by today's participation of the voters, and now I would request my colleagues to brief you specifically about their states and the specific domains. First of all, I request Mr. Chandrabhushan to brief you about the Bihar elections, followed by Mr. Sudeep Jain, who will brief you about the EVMs and VVPATs. And further, I'll request Ashish Kundra to brief you about the IT initiatives taken up by the Election Commission of India. Thank you very much.
In Bihar today, we had elections in 94 assembly.
That's the latest brief here that's coming in from the Election Commission. Remember, they've just announced the voter turnout that has now been recorded at 51.15%, also largely emphasizing that this has been a very peacefully conducted phase 2 of the elections.